Internal defense in innate immunity. Pathogens penetrate external defensive barriers in the skin, mucous membrane in the human body. They encounter a second line of innate immunity responses called internal defense. Within the body, the detection of non-self accomplished by molecular recognition, in which receptor molecules on specific cell in the immune system will bind specifically to molecules of foreign agents, pathogens. In innate immunity, internal defense consists of phagocytic cells, natural killer cells, antimicrobial proteins, inflammatory responses. Phagocytic cells. Phagocytic cells are specialized cells, can ingest microbe, foreign particles, cell debris for intracellular digestion destruction. Phagocytes use the receptor molecules to detect components of foreign agent particles. Neutrophils macrophages are the two main phagocytic cells in man. While circulating in the blood, neutrophils are attracted first to infected sites by signals from affected tissues. Neutrophils can ingest, destroy infected pathogens. Macrophages, larger, more potent phagocytic cells. Natural killer cells. Natural killer cells are type of lymphocyte present in blood, some tissues or organs. Some tissues or organs, a spleen, lymph node, function in non-specific defense. Detect cells with abnormal surface molecules, example, virus-infected body cells, some cancer cells, kill them. Natural killer cells do not engulf these abnormal cells, but upon binding can release the chemicals to kill virus-infected cells, cancerous cells, which could inhibit further spread of the virus or cancer. Antimicrobial proteins. Antimicrobial proteins are present in blood interstitial fluid, function in innate defense by attacking microbes, impeding their reproduction. Interferons complement proteins are antimicrobial proteins, discourage microbial growth. Interferons are proteins secreted by virus-infected body cells, protect uninfected host cells from viral infection by interfering with viral replication. Once released by virus-infected cells, interferons diffuse into uninfected neighboring cells. They are stimulated to produce antiviral proteins, inhibit viral replication. Some interferons activate macrophages, which enhance the phagocytic activity. Complement proteins are a group of normally inactive proteins in the blood plasma membrane. When they are activated by different substances present on the surface of microbes, a cascade of biochemical reaction occurs, which lead to lysis of invaded cells. They also promote phagocytosis, inflammatory response. Inflammatory response is an innate immune defense in the body to tissue damage triggered by microbial infection, injury of the tissues. Release of substance promote increased permeability, dilation of blood vessels, enhance migration of phagocytes. Destruction of invading pathogens aid in tissue repair. Inflammation attempt to destroy microbes at the site of injury, prevents the spread to other tissues, promote tissue repair. Inflammatory response by various signaling molecules upon infection, injury. Histamine, important inflammatory signaling molecule, released mainly by mast cell in the connective tissue at the site of damage. Histamine causes increased permeability, dilation of nearby blood capillaries. Increased permeability of blood vessels enhance filtration of white blood cells, antimicrobial protein, clotting element into the injured area from the blood, aiding destruction of invading pathogen and tissue repair. Dilation of blood vessels allows more blood flow through damaged area, which helps to remove dead cells. Activated phagocytes, macrophages, neutrophils move from the blood to damaged tissue area. Discharge signaling molecules, cytokines, which promote blood flow to the injured infected site. During inflammation, activated complement proteins cause further histamine release, which attracts more phagocyte cells to enter injured tissue, carry on the additional phagocytosis. This process can ingest microbes, cell debris at the site of injury. Signs and symptoms of inflammation are redness, heat, swelling, pain. Dilation of blood vessels cause redness, heat production due to high metabolism in the area. The increased permeability of blood vessel triggers the localized swelling due to leaking of tissue fluid into neighboring tissue. Pain results from injury to new microbial toxins. Most inflammation response, pus, may be accumulated. It is a fluid rich in dead phagocytes, dead pathogen, cell debris from damaged tissues. Mild injury infection cause localized inflammatory responses. Injury infection is a severe, lead to systemic response throughout the body, leading to fever. Elevate body temperature within limits, enhance phagocytosis, accelerate tissue repair by speeding up the chemical reaction.